How to clean up Gmail inbox fast and easily. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're inside Gmail, look at the top right corner and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. After clicking that, select See All Settings so you can open the full settings page. Next, click on the Inbox tab at the top. Under Categories, look for the option called Updates, then check the box next to it. After that, scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Once this is done, many automatic emails, like newsletters and notifications, will start moving into the Updates tab instead of your main inbox. This helps keep your inbox cleaner and easier to manage. Now go ahead and open the Updates tab. Look for a sender that sends you lots of emails that you don't really need. When you find one, right-click on one of their emails. From the menu that appears, click Find Emails From, followed by the sender's name. This will show you all emails from that sender. Next, click the checkbox at the top to select the emails, so every email from that sender gets selected. After that, click the delete icon. A confirmation message will pop up, so just click OK to confirm. You can repeat these same steps for other senders that send you too many emails.